Hi everyone, my name is Juhi Singh and I am a PhD scholar at IIT BHU and I live in Sarkari hostel. So here I'm trying to vlog my weekend. So this was Saturday and I was heading towards health center because I had an eye infection. So basically I had tried to shoot whatever I did on the weekends like on Saturday on and Sunday. So here I was trying to keep things which were needed in the health center, my health diary, my bottle, and the scarf which is needed for protection from sun. So I was all set and just heading towards the health center. And since it was a Sparda week, so I was pretty excited to see the matches. So this is a clipping from hostel, and these are medicine which were given to me by the health center. And then I it was this after coming back, I did take bath and did the puja, and also you know put the medications which were prescribed to me by the doctors there. So basically, it contained certain antibiotics and eye drop. And I started studying. So I was basically revising certain concept of literature, and also because even if you are a PhD scholars, you have to be up to date with the knowledge and the concept of literature because you are going to apply there. So just revising certain things, and you can see that I was also mentioning and writing certain concept which I had already forgotten and I needed to revise again and again. So it is a bit of a kind of a revision week for me. So what I usually do is on Saturdays and Sundays I do revise the concept of English literature. And so, if I talk about the basic revising technique, so I always prefer writing the concepts and also like recalling. It helps in recalling because it has been more than 1.5 years after I qualified JRF and did not set for any of the competitive examinations. So you need to keep yourself updated for it. So it is very much important. So after studying, I went to take lunch. So this is a platter of the lunch which is offered to us. And after lunch, I just took a nap of 1 and 1.5 hour and woke up and had then I sat for a brief study session, and after that, me and my roommate headed towards watching certain sports which were happening in the campus. So there, before we entered the field, I just took chai, which is my favorite, and just explored a bit of stalls which were there in the campus. And I just enjoyed watching kabaddi match. This was IIT BHU versus Jabalpur, NIT Jabalpur. And the women's team of IIT BHU won the kabaddi match, and then I also saw the men's kabaddi. So unfortunately, IIT BHU lost the game, but it was a fun and I enjoyed it thoroughly. So here I was trying to shoot certain the decoration part of the Spardha. Then we went to the field where prize distribution was happening. I tried to shoot the ambience there and also the environment. So for prize distribution, there was chief guest who had come. That was Chiteshwar Pujara, and by the time I reached there, the ceremony has already ended. There were certain distribution which was left, so I just saw them and just left quickly and did not sat there much. So I was just enjoying the weather and the surrounding. It was very peaceful and serene. And then after that, I came back to my hostel, had grabbed a cup of coffee, had my dinner, and did a little bit of my research work. That's all.